bitch ass nigga, you a fag with balls. I'm a OG like above the law. Nigga, stop frontin', ain't no need to fake. Make it disappear, how much G's it take? Too much to lose and your ass got none. That's why you hatin' it started, huh? See right through you, you bitch inside. Act like you hard and you down to ride. I bet your bitch got more balls than you do. How the fuck can you step to me and my crew? I pass it to my nephews, you way too small. Say you're big dog but ain't got no bark. You mold like pussy to me, so I'ma just pass you and let the homeboys have you. Shut up, little homeboy, chill. You ain't even ready for this shit right here. Nigga, I'm a gangster, that ain't you. Nigga, I'm a thug, that ain't you. Nigga, I'm a rider, that ain't you. So what you need to do is stop front, stop front, stop front, stop front, stop front, stop front. Nigga, I'm a gangster, that ain't you. Can't win just losing if I'm riding with you. And that is the reason I ain't fucking with you. Pretend to be hard on the front of your crew. Nigga, you's a bitch, what you got to prove? Try to walk against it, but your switch came out. Like I said before, I ain't gotta do shit. Make one phone call, I can't erase this bitch, but nah, I'ma play this shit cool. Just got some dick, so I'm in a good mood. But if you keep talking and running at the mouth, I'ma grab the strap, so what I am about. Understand that them things that you doing ain't cool. Now I got the tool, you a fucked up dude. So nigga, stop playing. Nigga, what you saying? Like Pac, hit him up. Cause I don't give a fuck like Jada, clear him out. Knock this bitch ass out. Nigga, I'm a gangster, that ain't you. Nigga, I'm a thug, that ain't you. Nigga, I'm a rider, that ain't you. So what you need to do is stop front, stop front, stop front, stop front, stop front, stop front. Nigga, I'm a gangster, that ain't you. If you see a bitch, nigga, point him out like this. Stop front, stop front. Then rep your hood, let him know it's like this. Stop front, stop front. And if he wanna talk shit, tell his bitch ass this. Stop front, stop front. To kick the shit out of a nigga, let him know it's like this. Stop front, stop front. There's no gangster inside you, so nigga, stop